Today we have brought you the latest Tesla news. Tesla attracts federal attention following privacy leak report. Tesla Cybertruck reservation holders maintain high intent to buy. Tesla Model 3 Highland design details and upgrades confirmed. And Tesla re-enables remote window functions following NHTSA recall. Let's get into all the details. So let's get started. Two U.S. senators have signed a letter to Tesla CEO Elon Musk following a report that Tesla employees were breaching consumer data privacy. Tesla has attracted considerable criticism following the allegations that its employees had allegedly accessed the video feeds of customer vehicles, with videos and pictures of people being privately shared between employees in a group chat between 2019 and 2022. Now, as the company faces a recently announced lawsuit regarding the matter, Reuters reports that two United States senators have sent a letter to CEO Elon Musk asking questions regarding the data privacy breach. The letter from Senators Edward J. Markey and Richard Blumenthal, seen by Reuters, highlights a general concern about consumer data privacy. This apparent willful disregard for the privacy of Tesla customers is unacceptable and raises serious questions about Tesla's management practices. We urge you to take all necessary actions to ensure that any images or videos consensually collected from Tesla vehicles are subject to strict privacy safeguards, states the letter. Besides highlighting their concern, the senators demand Elon Musk respond to a series of questions regarding the privacy breach by May 5. Questions include: were Tesla executives aware of the practice of breaching customer data? Why had corporate policies failed to prevent it from occurring? And will Tesla dedicate itself to improving customer data privacy, including ensuring videos cannot be used to identify the location of customers? Neither Tesla nor Elon Musk has responded to the privacy breach allegations. Tesla has not yet responded to the exploratory class action lawsuit filed against it in California. This is not the first time Senator Markey and Blumenthal have contacted Tesla and raised concerns about the company, previously focusing on Tesla's full self-driving offering, arguing that its naming should be considered false advertising. This sentiment has gained traction in Tesla's home state of California, where the company has been forced to change the name of its autonomous system. Moving to the next update, Tesla Cybertruck reservation holders maintain high intent to buy. According to a new survey, Tesla Cybertruck reservation holders still firmly intend to buy years after the initial announcement. The car reservation system has dramatically grown in popularity since Tesla made it a core part of its brand, and it's no wonder why. By allowing customers to reserve a vehicle ahead of time, automakers gain an additional stream of revenue, an easy gauge of interest in its upcoming model, and even a reduction of required storage space. Now, ahead of the Tesla Cybertruck's launch later this year, surveyed reservation holders appear dedicated to still buying, even years after the vehicle was announced. The survey, conducted by Recurrent Auto, first gauged customers' intent to buy different reserved models in June of last year, but has since been updated with a replicated survey from last month. Recurrent found that Tesla vehicles, including the Cybertruck, had an exceptionally high intent to buy, especially compared to some more recently announced electric vehicles. According to its findings, roughly 75% of Cybertruck reservation holders plan to purchase the vehicle, which essentially remains unchanged from last year. Other vehicles with a strong intent to buy include the Rivian R1T and R1s, the Ford F-150 Lightning and Mustang Mach-E, and the Aptera. On the other hand, the Chevrolet Silverado EV had the least intent to buy, with just over 20% of reservation holders planning to go through with their purchase. Strangely, truck buyers, in particular, held a large number of reservations from numerous different brands, primarily consisting of the Ford F-150 Lightning, Rivian R1T, and Tesla Cybertruck. Luckily, Tesla Cybertruck buyers shouldn't have too much time to wait, especially as more production equipment comes online at the Giga Texas facility, where the electric truck will be produced. On top of this production readiness, there have been a growing number of sightings of the Cybertruck, indicating that a final prototype design has been made and is now entering final regulatory certification. Moving to the next update, Tesla Model 3 Highland design details and upgrades confirmed. The Tesla Model 3 Highland design refresh has been confirmed, along with previously unknown design changes by a Tesla insider. The Tesla Model 3 has shrunk from being Tesla's best-selling product to its number 2, but it remains no less important. For many car buyers, the Model 3 offers better driving dynamics and styling than its larger Model Y counterpart, and for others, its lower starting price is its enticing feature. But whatever brings consumers to the Model 3, everyone has a reason to be excited about its design refresh, Project Highland. The upcoming vehicle's design leaked earlier this week, and some previously unknown upgrades have been confirmed now. The design confirmation came from an inside source at Tesla, who gave the information to Teslascope's Twitter account, which has subsequently published the insider's tip. Most notably, the insider's message confirms that the Model 3 refresh image posted on Reddit is genuine, bringing Model S-style headlights and a smoother front grille. Moreover, this confirmation highlights some previously unknown design changes, specifically Tesla's intention to move away from in-house seats. It remains unclear how this change could affect interior design. Still, according to previously released information, we know that interior changes are coming, such as the removal of interior wood trim, which will be replaced with a cloth accent rim. Another change coming to the Model 3 in its Highland upgrade is a substantial set of manufacturing upgrades, which make the Model 3 cheaper to produce, quicker to assemble, and more efficiently produced than ever before. Sadly, information about mechanical upgrades to the Model 3 has not been made public. Though with Tesla's recent moves, a lower starting price is anticipated. And combined with the numerous electronics upgrades, making multiple parts lighter, smaller, and more efficient, the new Model 3 may bring at least noticeable improvements to range and overall driving dynamics. Moving to the last update, Tesla re-enables remote window functions following NHTSA recall. Tesla has started re-enabling remote and automatic window functions after the automaker was forced to remove them to comply with NHTSA regulations. The update is being pushed to vehicles and does not recall an actual software update to be installed. Earlier this year, we reported that Tesla has removed some remote and automatic window functions following an over-the-air recall to correct an issue with the automatic window reversal system in nearly 1.1 million vehicles. Those functions included the ability to remotely control the windows through the app, the ability to automatically close the windows upon locking the vehicle, and the automatic closing of the windows when entering car wash mode. Not all owners saw these functions disabled. Nonetheless, Tesla recently re-enabled these features in those vehicles that had the features removed. According to a 2023 Model 3 owner, Mario Gaucher, who has on software version 2023.2.12, a message appeared on his in-car display saying his car now has access to new window features. This is the same software version that Tesla mentions has the fix included to address the recall, even though this version was released about 1 month ago. Interestingly, the message only mentions 2 of the 3 features that were removed: remote open and close, and closing windows when the vehicle locks. We have asked Mario about car wash mode, but have not heard back yet. That's it for now. So what are your thoughts about this? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned at the Electric Arena for all the latest Tesla and electric vehicle news.